In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from Oopbuy. Whether you're cashing out your balance or maybe requesting a refund, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and go to the user tab on the top corner. Here, as you may notice, go to the wallet section. This is where you can instantly withdraw any funds that you have here in Oopbuy. Okay, so click on it. You want to make sure you have enough funds. Now, first off is enter your withdrawal amount. For example, this amount, and then you need to choose if you're going to refund to original payment account as well. All right, and then of course, if you have chosen a backup withdrawal account, for example, I'm gonna be choosing a PayPal to withdraw or withdraw to bank account. It's up to you. If you want to add a new account, you can do so. Okay, put in the email address and confirm the email information is correct. But we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to choose the withdraw to bank account. And from here, just click the submit withdrawal request. It's super simple, all right? And that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.